Hi friends, this is Ravikant Mariala. Right. In this small session, this is with respect to CA Inter, Accounting Standard 13, Investment Accounting, how to account for the bonus shares received, right shares received or purchased. Okay, yeah, that small concept is going to be covered in this 15-20 minutes session. Right. And before getting into this session, my dear, I have one small information to share with. One is accelerate with HS. We, HS Academy faculty, HS from Bangalore, are tied up with an academy, and we are teaching on this Unacademy platform CA Inter, CA Foundation, CA Final. 100% English batches are going on. Yes, as part of that, I will be taking for CA Inter Group 1 accounting little part plus accounting standards. And for CA Final, I will be teaching financial reporting, that is paper number 1, GFRS, Global Financial Reporting Standards, that is nothing but IFRS, paper number 6E. Okay, these two papers are covered by me in CA Final. Now, yeah, this announcement is with respect to CA Inter Group 1 May 2022 exam. For that purpose, we have already started one batch on 13th October. It's been already more than a month. Yeah, and this is 100% English CA Inter. Our aim is to complete by February, approximately February end, so that you will get 2 months, March and April, good amount of time for your revision. And yeah, this batch is yeah, in this batch who are teaching? Yeah, we are all the team members. Yes, that is accountancy shared by 3 people. As you know, it's very vast. One is by Mayur sir, next is Rajvardhan sir, and myself, Ravikant, for accounting standards, and little bit of some 2-3 chapters will be done by me. And the costing will be done by Dhananjay sir, taxation by Saurabh sir, and Karthik sir is teaching law. Okay, yes, all of them are very good at their subject, and they can share their knowledge. They can enrich you subject matter exactly. And this batch timings are morning 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yeah, net effective. I mean, with the two breaks will come half an hour, half an hour. Totally 7 hours. I mean, 7 hours are there. So out of that, 6 hours will be effective. But what do we cover? We cover, I mean, ICA material, previous examination questions, RTP subject, mock papers. Everything is going to be discussed in this exhaustive discussion, conceptual discussion, not just solving the sums. Conceptual clarity you can expect from us, I can assure you. Okay, right. And about Unacademy, I don't need to explain too much about it. Correct? No, live interactive sessions. You can attend in 8 to 3. Participate in the live class. You can ask questions, and you have an option saying, like, I mean, you can raise hand. The teacher will give permission wherein you can speak out, say this is what your doubt. You can have a talk with the teacher. It's not that only typing, not comment only. You can speak. Suppose you have noted something which you are not able to, I mean, you want to show it to the teacher and say, is it correct or not? You have an option. Under doubts, you can share your pick. I mean, whatever the text, whatever the note text, that also you can share it with us, and we can look into it and we can answer. Okay, right. And if you're not able to attend the live session, yes, recorded classes will be available. There is no concept of number of views. So how many, right, how many months subscription you have taken, many months, how many number of times you want to watch the video, that class, you can watch it. 100% permitted. Okay, and we have every 4 days class there is a doubt solving session. Really not required, because teacher will ask immediately on that topic, do you have any questions, do you have any questions? So if you have any questions, we'll clarify then and there itself. They'll conduct mock test also, and they will send you the solution. You can self-evaluate, or if you have taken any what do you call, yeah, iconic program, then your paper will be evaluated by the subject matter expert. They will come back with the, your performance at the same. What is your, where are you actually lacking, losing the marks, and they can point out and they can help you out. Good strategy, yeah, mentoring. So many things are available here. So better you join right now. That's better. Yeah. Plus subscription course is available for CA Inter. Okay, get, and it is for 12 months and it is for 24 months. All this program is available. Yeah. Next, CA Iconic program. This is what I was talking about for CA Inter. There is a personal coaching. Yes, there will, once you take up this program, you will be entitled to get hard copy material plus, and personal coaching. There will be one mentor who can assist you, who can help you with your queries, your, any subject matter queries. Also, if you feel like you are not getting anything, yes, then you contact mentor. He will arrange a call with the faculty if required, or he will only solve it. So something like that, they will help you out. Next, there is what is that? Evaluated test papers. Test series are going to be conducted. Industry expert session. Yeah, they'll bring in some people, experts in the industry. They'll share their knowledge to you. All these are obviously very much helpful for your future. Okay, live mentoring, which I spoke, very clearly available here. You can have a look at it. And evaluated test papers for each subject. 3 tests are going to be conducted. Once you finish 40% one test, next level 80% is another test, 100% one more test. Okay, this is the information, my dear. Now let's go to our main objective. Why this video is all about. Correct? Yes. See, just give me a second. Yeah, I told you this is regarding accounting standard 13. Accounting standard 13, investment accounting. Investment accounting. First, a small one, that is bonus issue. Bonus shares received. Yeah, bonus shares received. My dear, we are the holders of the investment. We are not the company. Correct, na? Yeah, bonus shares are issued by whom? Bonus shares are issued by company. Issued by company. Correct. Are we in the books of company? No, we are not in the books of company. Not in the books of company. Right? We are not discussing this. Not in the books of company. I know if you are in the books of the company, you will say some reserve account debit to equity share capital. You will pass a journal entry. I know that. But this is not that. Yeah, it is. We are in the books of. Yeah, we are in the books of our holder of shares. Holder of shares. Okay. Yeah, that is what dealt by accounting standard 13. That is what investment for me. Correct. I am a shareholder of Reliance company. Reliance company giving me bonus share. Now this discussion is in the books of Ravikant, not in the books of Reliance company. Hope it is clear to you. Right. And the next point what I would like to say is, right, bonus shares. Bonus shares, at what rate do you will get? How much do you pay? Don't pay, sir, it's free. Correct, na? It is received by us. Correct, na? It is received by us at free of cost. Free of cost. Next, remember, as per accounting standard 13, initial recognition, initial first time, correct, na? First time when you get it, yeah, initial recognition will be taking place at cost. Cost, right? Cost means what you lost, how much you paid for it. Correct, na? How much I paid for it, sir? I paid 0, sir. Nil, sir. Nil I paid. Okay, I paid nil. That's why, what journal entry would you like to pass? No journal entry. No journal entry to be recorded. Because I have not paid a single rupee for this. Correct, na? Not paid a single rupee for this. So no journal entry will be recorded. Got it? And next point. Yeah, try to understand this. See, but what do you do, sir? Journal entry we do not record. See, example, we had Yeah, say example, we had 1000 shares. Okay, sir, 1000 shares we had. Now plus we got bonus shares. How many bonus shares you got? 500 bonus shares you got. Isn't it today? How many shares you have today? At the end of the day, we have 1500 shares in my hand. Right? Isn't it your responsibility to disclose, at least mention in your books of account, not in the financial statements or anywhere else? That's why simply in the investment account, okay, Reliance company, investment in Reliance company shares. Okay, yeah, number of shares column, earlier it was 1000, paid some XX money, correct now, this was the balance you had, correct. Two bonus shares, don't need to write bonus, two bonus or buy bonus or something like that. Haven't you got 500? Yes, nothing, amount column 0, you need to mention so that at least people will get to know, in our hand there are totally 1500 shares, correct. Next point is what? To confuse you, they will mention very clearly. Why they will mention? What they will mention, sir? They will say, sir, this 500 shares sold for, this 500 shares only we sold, sir. Oh, is it super? It is sold for how much? It is sold for 1 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, something like that they will mention. Now, whenever you say sold, whenever you say sold, aren't we supposed to calculate gain or loss? We are supposed to calculate gain or loss. Right. So when you calculate gain or loss, what do you write here now? Sale proceeds. Correct. Now, sale proceeds. 1 lakh rupees are minus what do you say? Cost. Do not forget, it is not just a cost. It should be always average cost. Average cost of acquisition. Yes, it is average cost of acquisition. Indirectly, it is weighted average cost. Indirectly, it is weighted average cost. Means ये 1000 shares के लिए example, you have spent 3 lakh rupees. What you spent? 3 lakh you spent. And for 500 के लिए how much you spent? 0 you spent. Right. So what is the cost of 500? You cannot say cost of 500 is equal to 0, sir. Sorry. We always should calculate. Always you should calculate average cost. Right, sir. One simple example here. Okay. Right, informal thing you say. Suppose let us go to shop. Okay, a simple example. Let's go to shop. Okay, in the shop there is an offer, 1+1 offer. Okay, it is t-shirts. Excellent. Yeah, you purchased one t-shirt, you got another t-shirt, totally two t-shirts. Example. If I say e t-shirts ke liye you paid 1000 rupees. E t-shirt ke liye 0 you paid. Totally you paid 1000. Now your friend also came with you. Now he is telling. What is he telling? Right, hey, t-shirt free na? Give it to me, no? Na? Freely give it to me. Freely give it to me. He's asking. What do you say? Right, you gave it to him. What is the cost of that shirt? 0 na? He t-shirt did not come freely, my dear. The company people did not give to people who is going on the road. Who bought the first t-shirt, for them only they gave it, isn't it? So the t-shirt value is equal to 1000 divided by 2 lena. Correct? Now it's obviously we have paid here 500, here 500, for this also 500. Average is the correct way. Hope you understood. When it comes to hours, na, you will tell correct answer. It is not that, no, we'll tell generally free ayana sir. Right, na? When I say you, when it comes to you, na, then you'll obviously take a right decision. So average cost means total cost is equal to 3 lakh, divided by 1500 shares. How many shares are you selling? 500 shares I am selling. Correct na? Yeah, some 1 lakh rupees example, just number. Whatever is the next number here comes, that is what gain or loss. This number should be transferred to P&L. It is sold for 1,20,000. I don't have any problem. Correct na? So 20,000 rupees is a gain. 20,000 is a gain. That's it. Like that you should take it, even though it has come at free of cost. Okay, when you are calculating gain or loss, don't say cost of acquisition is equal to 0. You're not supposed to follow FIFO basis or LIFO basis in accounting standard 13, which is not permitted. Strictly as per the standard, you are supposed to follow weighted average only. Got it? Next, a small topic with respect to right shares. Rights. Basically, you should say rights. Okay, basically it is with rights. Okay, sir, excellent. Listen. See, rights means rights will be free. Rights will be free. Will be free. Freely. Free to whom? To the existing stakeholders. The existing stakeholders, to the shareholders. Right free, but share is not free. They will tell you, Ravi, okay, Ravikant, you have already 1000 shares in the company. We are offering you 1:1 offer. What is 1:1, sir? Mean you can buy another 1000 shares of our company. Another 1000 shares you can buy. Okay. Wherein market value is equal to how much? Market value is equal to, let me say 500 rupees is the market value. Okay, how much is the market value? 500 is the market value. But offer price, maybe you are already existing shareholder. That's why I'm not charging you 100, I'll charge you 400. Got it? 400 rupees you have to. That means what? That means a shareholder has to pay this money. Yeah, you have to pay this money. Ravikant wants to exercise. Ravikant has to pay 400 into 1000. Correct. Now we have to pay 400 per share and 2000 shares I have a right to pay. So 4 lakh rupees money should be there in my pocket. If I like the company shares, yes, fine. Why not? I can pay money and I can get it. Permitted. Okay, that means is it free? No, I have to pay cash. Obviously I have to pay cash. Yeah, let's do one thing. What will happen, sir? Right is free. Right, E-rate 400 is not applicable to who is not a shareholder of the company. That you remember. Right, nah? Right. So here, what are the two possibilities are there? What is the two possibilities, sir? Yeah, what is the two possibilities, my dear? Right, possibility number 1. What is that? Ravikant exercised, RK exercised. Sir. Exerciser means what? Exerciser means what? We paid and bought. We paid and bought shares. Okay, we paid and bought shares. Then what is the journal entry? Normal journal entry. Yeah, so you have bought it initially. First time you bought this share. So initial recognition should be at cost. Right. So that's why what do you regard? I will regard it at investment in shares. Yeah, investment in shares. For your information, you want to mention right shares. Once you purchase share, the right share, bonus share, normal share, there is no such differentiation actually. Just only in the books of account, if you want to mention this is what right share, how does it matter? You paid money and got it, correct? Na? That's all. So I paid 4 lakh rupees cash and I bought it 4 lakh rupees worth of shares. That is if you have exercised it, right? Suppose here we did not exercise. We did not exercise it. Okay. Then what did you do, sir? I have a right to transfer. Okay, there is one Mr. A. I don't have money. 4 lakh I don't have. I said, I don't have money. If you want to purchase, you purchase. Correct. But 5 lakh worth of shares my company is giving to me for 4 lakh. Means 1 lakh is the benefit. Why will I give it to Mr. A so easily, just like that, free of cost? I will not give. That's why I may charge some money. Okay, what do I say? E-rights, whatever we are talking. Rights are transferred. Okay, or you can say sold to another. Rights are transferred, yes, are sold to another party. Right. And that, suppose you sold means for what money? Yeah, sir, I sold for 40,000 rupees. So suppose 80,000 rupees I got money, sir. That guy paid me 80,000. So super, yeah. Then what is the entry? Whatever that 80,000 comes, na? Yeah. Right. First question. What are you selling? Share? No, I have not bought only share. Existing shares are there. Our shares are still with me. I have not sold that. I sold the rights. Correct? Sold the rights. At what rate you got it? I didn't pay anything for it. Correct? Have you paid anything? No, sir, I didn't pay. I purchased shares long ago, sir. Oh, excellent. So you purchased long ago, my dear. Correct? You purchased long ago. Hope you understand. Yes, you purchased long ago. Now nothing is there, right? Nothing. So 80,000 rupees. Yeah, 80,000 rupees is free of cost. You got it. Correct. It is just income. That's why what the standard says, yes, transfer it to profit and loss directly. So what is the journal entry I should record? Yes, cash account debit. Yes, what is that? Income from sale of rights. Correct. Income from sale of rights. That's all. Whatever the money you got, that should be recorded like that. That is about rights issue. Hope you understood. Right. Join the classes. We'll have in-depth every possibility, every probability is going to be discussed. I'm very sure, Pakka, you will enjoy the classes. Okay. Thank you and wish you the very best.